Think about the time you're walking on a street. You see a plastic water bottle thrown carelessly. An old woman trying to read the signboard. Discarded cosmetics, etc. What if these problems had a solution that could be profitable as well? Here is a Qshala curation of 5 ideas that solve problems uniquely. Skipping Rocks Lab in London used plants and seaweed to develop a unique packaging for water and call them Oho water. These are just blobs filled with water and are completely edible and of course drinkable. They tested it in running events where participants would use plastic water bottles which would eventually generate a lot of waste. Using Oho water would essentially eliminate this waste. These are said to be biodegradable in 4 to 6 weeks and much cheaper than plastic. Sounds promising, doesn't it? Aging Nepal is one of the programs that won the UNESCO King Sejong Literacy Prize 2020 on the occasion of International Literacy Day on 8th September. Who do you think is this program intended to educate so that they can improve their lives and be lifelong learners? Did you guess education for older people? Then you are absolutely right. Studies showed that 36% of the adult population of Nepal lacks basic literacy skills, which is leading to unemployment, poverty, and poor life conditions. Aging Nepal, an NGO based out of Kathmandu, stepped in to solve this problem by conducting literacy classes, skill training, and exposure-based sessions for these adults. Interesting idea, isn't it? Carcel is a Danish clothing brand that has an unusual business strategy that it advertises. Each garment's label includes the name of the person who made it, and they highlight that person's life stories on their blog. Not surprisingly, the brand's name translates to jail in Spanish. When asked about why Carcel is looking at creating jobs for the Peruvian women in jail, they had this answer. Most people who are in prison today barely make anything, and they and their families are left without an income for many years. We want to help change that. We offer women in prison real and dignifying jobs at market rates in order to include them in the economy, and so they can sustain themselves and provide for their families and create a better life. Dia is a teenager scion of the Berman family who has created her own startup in the FMCG space called Rogue Free. She once visited a hotel where she observed that the hotel staff replaced small bars of soap after even one use. These single-use soaps end up in a dump. She thought, how we are wasting soap when so many people do not have access to such hygiene products to remove bacteria. The startup gets used soaps from hotels. These are melted, treated, and molded into fresh soap bars to be given for free to poor children. What a unique solution, isn't it? A Dutch company named Crowded Cities was started by Ruben van der Vleuten and Bob Spickman. The company employs a particular smart creature to eliminate the pollution of cigarette butts from the streets. What is this smart creature that gets rewarded with food for every butter drops? Did crow pop in your mind? Well, that is correct. Just like the folk story all of us have heard, here, crows are trained to pick up trash. How about we also become mindful of where we are throwing our trash? If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Qshala for more such content. Be a part of Qshala Family Quiz this Sunday to have a fun time with family.